welcome you all for this interactive session. I would like to begin with introducing our speaker for today, Mr. Amit Patel, sir. Amit Patel, sir, is the Assistant Professor, IPR and Patents at Gujarat Technological University, and with a specialization in pharmaceutics. Sir has been associated with GTU since 2013, and he has been a part of various high impacting novel initiatives which he has designed and developed for GTU, like the patent search and analysis report activity, patent drafting exercise activity, and many such other good activities. He has also contributed to the course content development of the GTU courses like the PG diploma in IPR and IP valuation and management courses. He plays a leading role for Smart Online Project Management Portal for the university, the project monitoring and mentoring system. He has conducted more than 100 workshops in IPR. So I believe this is a wonderful opportunity for all startups and innovators to learn about IPR, and let's make it interactive. But so that everyone gets a chance to hear what Sir has to say, I would request you all to put your mics on mute. And if you have any questions, please put it on the chat box and Sir can take it on post the session. We welcome you, Sir.
Thank you, madam. First of all, I am very thankful to the Dara Madam SSIP team for inviting me over here for sharing my thoughts. So, friends, first of all, very good morning to one and all, and would request to all of you to please stay at home and stay safe for fighting against the corona and support the government. So, during this hard time as well, to keep our innovation and learning activities alive, the SSIP team is making good efforts for planning large number of webinars. Right? So this program, whatever the session, what we are planning today is part of the similar program. So today I am going to discuss some and I am going to represent my ideas with related to invention, innovation, creativity, and how all of them are linked with the intellectual property. So we usually believe that, or we synonymously use the same, or we consider the same. Invention, innovation, and creativity all are the one and the same. But during this session, during this short session, I would like to make some differentiation. I would like to give you some idea how they are different from one another. So friends, look, invention and innovation, we usually in routine life or in our routine discussion, we do consider both of them or all the three, invention, innovation, and creation, one and the same. But yes, there is a thin line of difference between all of them, and they create a huge difference in terms of industry and the revenue creation. So look, invention means the original base, something which is invented for the first time. That is invention. And innovation is making application or making application of your knowledge for solving some problems, to creating some application based on your knowledge. Those are known as the inventions. To make it simplified, you may consider invention is creation of something new which is not present in the world till today. Creation of product or introduction of a process for the first time in the world. And you can say a good example for the invention is the inventions by the Thomas Alva Edison, the gramophone or the light bulb. So you can say Thomas Edison is an inventor. And in the similar line, innovation is both the creation and adoption of the implementation. Adoption of your knowledge for implementing to create some of your ideas. So which improves on or makes a significant contribution to something that has already been invented. जो ऑलरेडी इन्वेंट हो चुका है उसमें कुछ वैल्यू एडिशन करके नए नए चीज बनाते हो, वो होता है इंक्रीमेंटल इनोवेशन. एंड गुड एग्जांपल यू कैन से इज स्टीव जॉब्स इज एन इनोवेटर. So Thomas Alva Edison, who has created product for the first time, and those products are known as the invention. And to make to make a differentiation easy, the innovations or the new developments created by Steve Jobs are known as the innovation, and Steve Jobs is an innovator. So invention, look, for creation of inventions, the pathway is the investment of large amount of money for creation of your ideas. You need a huge amount of investment, you need a huge amount of experimentation, and then some inventions are being created. Whereas invention is a reverse route. In invention, you work on your idea to create the revenue. So this is invention is a path from money investment for the idea creation, whereas innovation is working on your ideas to create the money. So this table tries to summarize or to make a differentiation how they are different. Invention and innovation. So look, invention refers to occurrence of an idea or a product or process that has never been made before. जो चीज आज तक कभी भी नहीं बनाया और ऐसा कुछ आप इन्वेंट कर रहे हो, वो होता है इन्वेंशन. Whereas innovation implies the implementation of idea for the product or process for very first time. कोई चीज existing चीज को आप नए फीचर्स वैल्यू एड ऑन कर रहे हो, उसमें कुछ नया इंप्रूवमेंट कर रहे हो, वो होता है इनोवेशन. Sorry, what it is, creation of new product for the first time in the world is known as invention. So kind of invention, good example is a invention of telephone, invention of electricity, invention of the engine for the first time, invention of aeroplane, invention of television. These are example of inventions. And innovation is adding value to something already existing. मतलब एरोप्लेन एक बार इन्वेंट हुआ, उसको आप मॉडिफाई नए नए फीचर्स एड ऑन करते जाते हो. टेलीफोन इन्वेंट हुआ, फिर उसमें आप वैल्यू एडिशन करते जाते जाओ. लाइट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट हुआ, उसमें आप वैल्यू एडिशन करते जाते हो. दोज बिकम्स अ इनोवेशन. So an original idea, invention is an original idea and it's working on a theory, theoretical aspects, basic principles of the science, whereas innovation is practical implementation of new idea into reality. The same differentiation, the difference between innovation and invention in a different way, in a different mode. Invention is a novel product, device, process, or a concept. So invention is not restricted only to a product. Invention is a novel product, device, process, or a concept which has been implemented or derived for the first time in the world. Whereas innovation is the introduction of a new and better solution that meets new requirement and existing market requirement. Innovation are built up based on the requirement of the users or requirement of the market. For the development of invention, which requires the knowledge, competence, and the financial investment. Whereas development of innovation requires technical knowledge, competence, knowledge about the market, which is very important, knowledge about the market, user requirement, the trend of the market, how the market is going on, how the new products are coming, with what new additions, and the financial support for developing a new product based on your idea, your new thoughts. Example of inventions can be a printing press, electricity, telephone, television, aeroplane, which were being derived or invented for the first time. An example of innovation can be introduction of iPhone. So first time telephone बना, उसके बाद जैसे first phone में dialer था, right? Then someone has invented with a press button. उसके बाद किसी बंदे ने first time innovate किया mobile phone, wireless communication. Then people has developed, वो बड़ा वाला phone था, उससे Nokia जैसे simple phone आया, compressed one. Then people have invented a colorful display. Then people have invented screen display. Then a multimedia, and today's phone comprises lot many activities. It has a camera, radio, a messaging application, video games, and multiple. But what is not? It has replaced many number of instruments in today's time. So these are the examples of innovation. Now, what is the difference? What you can say the difference between innovation and invention is?
Participants, you're requested to kindly mute your mics.
I think from where the voice is coming. Okay, sorry for the interruption, but I would request the participants to please keep their microphone in the mute mode. If they have a question, they can ask. Otherwise, we will have a question answer session at the end of the session. Now, coming back to our session, difference between innovation and invention. So invention, the first product, whereas innovation is the incremental technical features add on into the basic product. Now, in today's time, we are every day, we hear many times that in today's global economy, there is a constant discussion to come up with something new, come up with new idea, new thought, new product, new innovations, right? But you really do not need to invent something entirely new to be a successful every time. You doesn't require to be invent, or you doesn't require to invent something really novel. Instead, you can be a very successful if you focus on innovating on something that already exists. If you keep on keeping value addition to the existing product, you can be a really successful. So a message over is not required to be an inventor. One can easily be an innovator, but he cannot be an inventor very easily. For becoming an inventor, the invention happens. You can say the happening or occurrence of invention is very rare, whereas compared to the development of new innovations, invention requires a lots of effort, or it happens accidentally. Whereas innovations can be developed based on your strategic pathway, based on your understanding about the field, based on the requirement of knowledge, based on the analysis of the trend. So it is not required that only the inventors can be successful. Can be successful if he constantly and strategically moves on the pathway of the incremental innovation route. So innovation is really what derives the people says that many economists, many scientists, the person who has a vast experience of the economy and understand, who has learned a lot, studied a lot about the industry, they have claimed that innovation is really what drives the economic growth of the country and the world. Those are not the invention which are the basic root behind the economic development. Innovation, that is the innovation which drives the economic growth of individual company, individual organization, country as large, or the world. Innovation is a product of new combinations derived based on your learning, based on analysis from the technical, the user feedback kind of way you can develop the innovator. It is widely said that the 5 combinations patterns of the innovations for creating a new innovation, for creating a new products based on the innovator, it can be achieved by 5 different routes. What are these 5 routes? A production of a new good, product development, by different new product development based on the invention. The first route for the innovation is the production of a new good based on the learning of the invention. कोई नया साइंटिफिक प्रिंसिपल है, जैसे अभी कोविड-19 का जो ये वर्ल्ड वाइड जो सिनेरियो चल रहा है, so there is very scientific and technical knowledge available for the same. So if you are coming up with a new concept for developing or treating or dealing with a viral or infectious diseases, really new, which is no far available, those will be invention. But when based on those learning, when you are developing a new product, this will be an innovation. So first route for the innovation is production of a new good based on the available technical knowledge from the invention. Second pathway is introduction of a new method of production, process innovation. कोई एक बंदा एक प्रोडक्ट एक प्रोसेस से बना रहे हैं, वही प्रोडक्ट आप अल्टरनेट रूट से बना रहे हो, that is also part of different innovation. You can say that my new process is a less time consuming, it requires less resources, it will have a more percentage yield, it would have a lesser production rate or production cost. So that is the second route for the innovation. Third part for the innovation is, third route is development of a new market. Say for example, आपने first time invent किया है plastic, and you are saying that plastic, my developed plastic is going to be used for the packaging of the, say for example, grains only. But if you are creating based on the learning and based on analyzing the product, if you are inventing that the same plastic can also be used for the packaging of the electric items, for the packaging of the vegetables, for the packaging of the food items. So it's a development of new market, a innovation. Third way of innovation, a acquisition of new source of supply of raw material. If you are deriving process innovation से नए cheaper route लेकर आ रहे हो, या फिर आप किसी route से acquisition of a new source of sorry, but I am muted.
Host, please.
You are okay. Now I am unmute. Yeah, I am able to hear by everyone.
Yes, sir, we can hear you. Please go on.
Okay. So the fourth way of being innovator is acquisition of new source of supply of the raw materials. And the fifth way, which is recommended to be an innovator, is emergence of a new organization of any industry. Say for example, in earlier times there were a auto or there were a cars, taxi or the automobiles are there. रिक्शा वाले बहुत लोग थे और decentralized mechanism. But जिस तरह से G Auto आया, Uber आया, Oyo आया, right? They have created a new industry, new organization. So that is also a kind of innovation. So there are principally 5 ways to be an innovator. You can be an innovator by going on one way, or you can be an innovator by combining one or more of these ways. A production of a new good, a introduction of a new method of production, development of a new market, acquisition of new source of supply of a raw material, or an emergence of a new organization of an industry. Now, importance of innovation. As I said earlier in earlier slide, the economists say that this is not the invention which builds the jobs, which creates the job, which are responsible for the economic drive of the country. This is the innovation which contributes for the economic development of the any organization. Drives this all economic scenario. So how you can prove that? A good example is Japan didn't invented either of the car or television. They have been invented principally by the US, the Ford or other US or the UK. But Japan certainly has innovated on them and built the world leading companies and the economies based on them. Look at the example of how Sony has been a so big brand in terms of televisions, and how Toyota is a so big brand in terms of automobiles. And based on them, the Japan, the economy, these big organizations have been developed from the Japan, and the economy of Japan is being built. So now that is the scenario with respect to differentiation. What is invention? What is the innovation? Right? Invention is principally development of any product for the first time, whereas innovation is incremental innovation on some product. Now there is also one, we similarly or multi times we are also discussing more about the creativity. This is also relevant, and we are considering all these three: invention, innovation, and creativity. All three are the same. What is the difference? Invention, innovation, we know. So what is the creativity? So creativity is the act of turning new and imaginative ideas into reality. Creativity is a part of innovation. The act of turning new and imaginative ideas into reality. आप देखते हो, सोचते हो, when you are thinking of, say for example, if you are an architect, if you are an interior designer, और आप सोचते हो कि ये मैं एक नई चेयर का डिजाइन बनाता हूँ जिसमें कुछ ऐसे ऐसे फीचर हो। इफ यू आर आर्किटेक्ट, आप ऐसा सोचते हो कि मुझे एक नए नए घर का डिजाइन बनाना है, नए इंस्टीट्यूट का डिजाइन बनाना है, ऐसा कुछ बनाऊंगा। So when you are transferring your thoughts into reality, it becomes a creativity. The act of turning new and imaginative ideas into reality is known as creativity. एक प्रोडक्ट का नया पैकेजिंग लेकर आए हो, नए कलर में बना रहे हो, नया डिजाइन ले रहे हो, those would be a part of creativity, right? So look, in a simpler way, invention is development of a product for the first time. Say for example electricity, right? Innovation. So electricity के बेस पर आप वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का यूज करके फर्स्ट टाइम इफ यू आर क्रिएटिंग अ बल्ब, इट इज नोन एज इनोवेशन। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से इंजन भी चलते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से नए नए प्रोडक्शन प्लांट भी रन होते हैं, बट इन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज ए इन्वेंशन, और उसका यूज करके आपने बल्ब बनाया तो बल्ब वुड बी ए इनोवेशन। एंड व्हेन you have created a bulb and you are coming up with a new idea, ये बल्ब का मैं नया डिजाइन बनाऊंगा, it would be a square colored और रेड कलर का बल्ब होगा, येलो कलर का बल्ब होगा, ये रेक्टेंगुलर होगा, सर्कुलर होगा, या डिफरेंट शेप होगा, that would be a creativity, right? So I hope you would be now able to differentiate between the three things: what is invention, what is innovation, and what is creativity. So this again represents a differentiation between invention, innovation, and creativity. Creativity is a novel idea that are communicated, useful and appealing. Appealing, आपको देखने के लिए पसंद हो, आप उसको लेना चाहो, right? There are 100 types of chairs available into the market. You will choose the one based on which is looks more appealing one, the creativity aspect. The invention is the one creating something new for the first time, whereas innovation is making invention into a product form. Basic idea, basic जो scientific invention है, उसके बेस पर product बनाना वो होता है innovation. Creativity is a fuzzy idea and can't be clarified until it is made into a prototype. तो आपके दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा है कि ऐसा कुछ बनाऊंगा, ऐसा कुछ बनाऊंगा, लेकिन people will not realize what you are actually thinking of unless and until you really build a prototype based on the same. Whereas invention is new to the world, discovered or created, and innovation is about changing a pattern for doing something, incremental innovations. Creativity is basically based on your ideas, thoughts. Invention is based on the scientific principles, which are derived based on a large number of experimentations carried out based on an investment of huge amount of time and investment of high amount of investment to make your understanding, your thoughts to establish those scientific principles. And innovation is turning those ideas into a case product. Those are innovations. Creativity is based on thinking about new things, new thoughts. Invention is based on the primary scientific skills, scientific principles, and innovation is based on the broad marketing and technical skills. So this tries to represent what fundamentally invention is, what innovation is, what creativity is, how they are different, what is this basic principle, which requires the investment of money, which creates the value, and which creates the business. Right? Now, invention, innovation, and creativity. Look, so all of you will be agreeing to this point that all are based on the intellectuality and human brain. Either invention, innovation, or creativity, all are the product of human brain, intellectuality. They have a value. They have a value. Invention has a value, innovation has a value, creativity has a value. And based on these values, all have a capability to create a value. वैल्यू इज अ डिफरेंट एंड वेल्थ इज अ डिफरेंट. आप बोल सकते हो मेरे आइडिया का वैल्यू इतना है, वैल्यू, and wealth is a different thing. Wealth is means a real case in terms of what is in your hand. So all are the brain, all are the child of human brain, all has a value, and all has the capability to create a wealth. And so it requires to be protected by intellectual property right. If you IP protection or monopoly rights on the same, if you want to create a wealth by a strategic route, then you must require to protect your either invention, innovation, or creativity by a suitable type of intellectual property right. So this is all about the basic aspect. What is the creativity, what is the invention, and what is the innovation, how they are different, and how they are linked with the human creativity, and why they are important. Innovation is ultimately uh, one factor which drives the economic growth, right? Now, sorry, I'm being muted. Oh, I'm unmuted now. Thank you. So now, those are the basic aspects. Now, what is the role of IPR? What is IPR and how it can be converted into a case? So this, I hope all of you might be knowing about the fundamentals of this. IP. What is IP? Intellectual property right. It's a product of creative thinking, intellectual capital, and it can be a property. Intellectual property rights are the rights protecting intellectual property. ह्यूमन क्रिएटिविटी को प्रोटेक्ट करने के राइट्स होते हैं. The aim of IPR is to encourage the creativity and development and discourage or to provide a protection against the thefts of your idea, creativity, innovation, and invention. Essentially, IP rights are negative rights. The rights to prevent act or the negative rights. मतलब कि कोई आपका invention copy कर रहा है, so it is not the duty of the government to identify and to stop it. Negative right means we have to identify who is the trespasser, who is taking the wrong advantage of your protected intellectual property, and then you have to initiate the action. So they are also a type of negative rights. So the IP means, definition wise, intellectual property means it gives creator an exclusive right for the use of his creation. These are time-bound rights and these are granted by the governments. And in today's time, we all know that the importance of IP right for individual, organization, company, government, or a country. In today's time, the value of IP in today's time is increasing day by day. Right? There are a large number of examples. Look at the example of how Google is developed, how Apple is developed, how OYO is developed, how Facebook is developed. Right? These companies are, and look at the platform where we are discussing, Zoom platform. Just before 2 months, very few of us has explored this way. But someone has invented, someone has created this product. It is his. Yes, it is available freely to all of us, a free mode and subscription mode. But yes, they are the human creativity. This is ultimately a human code created by a computer program. It has a value. And that's how in today's time, the value of Zoom is been increased to a multi-million-dollar company just in 2 months. So value of intangible asset is increasing day by day for individual, organization, company, or the country. There are multiple types of IPR. All of you know that these are different types of IPR: patent, trademark, copyright, design, geographical indication, trade secrets, and all is a product of human creativity, a product of human mind, right? So how different everyone who has a brain, he can invent, he can innovate, he can create. And if he does it, he has a right, he can protect it by a suitable type of IPR based on the suitable applicable instrument. If it is related to technical aspect, you can protect the patent. If it is related to expression of thoughts, you can protect by copyright. If it is related to the external lookout of any product, it can be protected by design. So there are different types of IPR, and they can be protected by a suitable type of creativity, invention, or innovation. So idea, The human creativity is at the base. Based on the type of idea, it can be protected by suitable means of IP instrument. Say, for example, copyright, patent, trademark, design, and trade secret. So, if you goes for protecting your creativity, innovation, or invention, right? Our government has a set rules, set procedure, and only the government can give you the IP protection. And each country has their own mechanism. IP rights are territorial. So you have to go and protect your IP into respective country. And in exchange, idea is a product of mind. It has a no physical form, right? Anyone, can you see what is innovation? Innovation कैसा लगता है? उसका weight कितना होता है? उसका height कितना होता है? Creativity, unless and until it is converted into prototype, we cannot see it. So in terms of creating your intellectual property, creativity, उसको आप protect करते हो, so government will give you the ownership rights by giving these certificates: patent certificate, design certificate, copyright certificate, or trademark certificates. And these certificates proves that you have a ownership right on the innovation. And this slide represents the one product. One product can be protected by multiple types of IP. This is one product, example of inhaler by the Cipla, which this slides try to represent. On one product, you have a patent, copyright, trademark, design, or trade secret. In a similar way, this is another example of a footwear, which also, say for example, these are just example of one medical product or one footwear, but with respect to each and every product around yourself. Say for example, your computer, your mobile phone, your wristwatch, your spectacles, your clothes, your food, your automobile, or anything around yourself is a result of someone's creation by means of invention, innovation, and creativity, whether they have been protected by some or other persons by different means of idea of patent, trademark, copyright, design. So one product is a bunch of multiple types of innovation, invention, creation, and a bunch of multiple types of invention, patent, trademark, copyright, design. So yes, government has also given a certain exclusions, what can be patented, what cannot be patented. So government has given certain exclusions, that anything which is against to the natural law, right? Then those things that cannot be patented. Anything which is abstract theory, scientific theory, those are the inventions, and inventions cannot be patented. A discovery of living and non-living things which are freely available into the nature cannot be patented. Natural plant and animals as a whole cannot be patented. Which is anything which is against the public or humanity cannot be patented. A new form or a property of a non-substance cannot be patented. Mathematical or business method cannot be patented in India. A method for agriculture, horticulture is also not patentable in India. Mental games is also not patentable. A compound admixture of new property is not patentable. Presentation of information can also not be patented. Literary, dramatic, musical work or artistic work, they can be copyrighted. They cannot be protected by patent. Traditional knowledge is also not patentable. In arrangement, rearrangement, duplication of non-devices, that also cannot be patented. So this is all about with respect to my section with respect to creativity, invention, and how they are linked with the intellectual property. Friends, in the month of April, in recent days, on 26th of April, the world is celebrating World Intellectual Property Day, the day when the World Intellectual Organization has been for the first time, and in respect of the same, every year on April 26, we are celebrating this day as a World Intellectual Property Day. On the same day, GTU is also planning one program to be executed. We will circulate the information once finalized. We would request you to celebrate this World IP Day in a different way. The present year's theme for the World IP Day is innovate for a green future. Join us for the discussion of this program once we will roll out it, and try to respect the IP in different way. Try to respect someone's creativity, invention, and innovation. With this, I would like to end my session with one support the government for fighting against the coronavirus. You all, you can, we will have a question answer session, as well as if we are not able to cover all the questions at present, you can always write email to us, or you can call me anytime. Would try my level best to give answer to all of your query. Thank you all.
Please put all your questions in chat box.
We have one question from Om Prakash Shukla. Expression of thought can be copyrighted or patented.
Expression of thoughts can be copyrighted as a large. Expression of thoughts in any way. How you can express your thoughts, right? You can write a letter, you can write a book. मतलब किसी आपको आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड की याद आती है तो काफी लोग अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड की याद में कोई शायरी बना लेता है, कोई नया सॉन्ग बनाता है. That is also expression of thoughts that can be protected by copyright. कोई सिंगर नया सॉन्ग कंपोज करता है, कोई सिंगर उसको नए तरीके से गाता है, कोई म्यूजिशियन वो सॉन्ग पर नए तरीके से म्यूजिक देता है. So all these expression of thoughts can be protected by copyright.
Kevin Patel has a question. How can I apply for copyright?
Yes, copyright. It's a simple, very simple procedure. Government of India का एक ऑनलाइन पोर्टल है. आप अगर देखोगे कि कॉपीराइट प्रोटेक्शन इन इंडिया, तो वही पोर्टल में कुछ 8-10 स्टेप का सिंपल, वेरी सिंपल प्रोसीजर है, और वो आप ऑनलाइन ही फाइल कर सकते हो, वेदर बुक के लिए, सॉफ्टवेयर के लिए, किसी भी तरीके से. And the fees is also very minimal compared to the trademark and patent protection.
We have a question from Pradeep Singh, sir. What procedure, the method of patent? He's asking regarding the method of patenting.
I'm not able to hear you, Dharaben, properly.
So, am I audible now?
Yes, audible, but the volume level is very low, madam.
So now am I audible?
Yes. Please go on.
So we have a question regarding the procedure of patenting.
Procedure of patent. Okay. So look, procedure of patent is very lengthy and it requires multiple steps. But in a very, very compressed way, you can say a patent procedure involves majorly 4 stages: application, publication, examination, and grant. Once you file your application, either in provisional or complete, it will get published after filing a complete specification. And once it will be published, it is open for public. Anyone can see it, anyone can oppose it. And later on, after the publication, the examination stage comes, wherein the patent office also examines whether whatever you have submitted whatever you have submitted to get a patent protection, whether it satisfies legal requirement or not. And based on that examination report, you have to convince them. And once both the parties comes to any conclusion stage, on that stage your patent would be granted on your innovation and the creativity aspect.
Amit sir.
Yes.
If we are going to be take and copy some data from the public domain, is it come under the copyright or not?
Yes. Look, whatever we create, Om Prakash ji, whatever we create, our own creativity is very minimal with respect to, say for example, my today's session, right? So invention का definition, innovation का definition ये मेरा derive किया नहीं है. किन्हीं लोगों ने ये डिराइव किया है, वो मैंने कहीं से ये जगह से थोड़ा लिया, बाकी जगह से इमेज लिया, कहीं से मेरे प्रिंसिपल ऐड ऑन किए, लेकिन ये जो पूरा कंपाइलेशन किया, इट्स माय क्रिएटिविटी. सो दैट इज अ क्रिएटिविटी. बट ऑनलाइन कहीं किसी जगह से आप पूरा का पूरा बंच ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन कॉपी करते हो,
some portion.
या सम पोर्शन. जैसे मेरे सेशन में अभी 25 स्लाइड्स है और हर जगह से मैंने अलग अलग लेके कंपाइलेशन किया है. सो दिस स्लाइड इज माय कॉपीराइट. बट
Okay.
इफ आई से कि किसी बंदे का ऑलरेडी 25 स्लाइड का प्रेजेंटेशन मैंने एज सच रिप्रेजेंट किया, देन इट्स अ कॉपीराइट वायलेशन.
ओके ओके सर, अगर कभी कहीं पे कॉपीराइट सिंबल ना हो या नोटिस ना हो तो वो कॉपीराइट फ्री होता है या कॉपीराइट उसमें होता है?
Copyright is, say for example, copyright में the international, the WIPO has also given the Berne Convention का एक काफी established rule है. The day when you create, it becomes a copyright.
Okay, okay, okay,
Copyright doesn't require any formal registration.
okay,
आप करवा दे तो अच्छा है in terms of legal battling, but it doesn't require always to be registered. On the day it is created, it is protected.
okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
So we have another question from Sagar. Is there any patent on basmati rice by US as it is a natural cultivation?
Yes. Look, in the US, we all know that US has tried to get patent on the basmati rice, neem product, haldi product, right? On the different, or even the yoga, the benefits of yoga, right? In the US system, they are saying that you yoga करते हो तो आपका हेल्थ अच्छा रहता है, और इस बेसिस पर उन्होंने कुछ डेटा सबमिट किया और उसके बेस पर वो लोग बोलते हैं कि हमें पेटेंट चाहिए. बासमती राइस का लेंथ अच्छा होता है, टेस्ट अच्छा होता है, तो पेटेंट चाहिए. हल्दी से हल्दी आप लगाते हो तो आपका वुंड हीलिंग अच्छा होता है. नीम यूज करते हो तो एंटी माइक्रोबियल प्रॉपर्टी मिलता है, राइट? सो दे पीपल ट्राइड टू प्रोटेक्ट इट, बट द पेटेंट सिस्टम और वर्ल्ड वाइड पेटेंट का एक कॉमन स्टैंडर्ड है. किसी भी चीज का आपको पेटेंट करवाना है तो उसका फर्स्ट क्राइटेरिया है नोवेल्टी. पेटेंट के राइट्स आपको टेरिटरी कंट्री स्पेसिफिक मिलते हैं, लेकिन पेटेंट का फर्स्ट क्राइटेरिया नोवेल्टी. मतलब कि जो चीज आप पेटेंट करवा रहे हो वो पूरे वर्ल्ड के लिए एकदम नया होना चाहिए, फ्रेश, जो आज तक कभी डिस्क्लोज ना हो किसी भी फॉर्म में. रिसर्च पेपर हो, पेटेंट हो, वीडियोस हो, न्यूज आर्टिकल हो, अवेलेबल प्रोडक्ट हो, या फिर पब्लिक नॉलेज हो. So based on this criteria, public knowledge, तो हमारे यहाँ we are using basmati rice 100 years से available है. हल्दी का use for the wound healing we are using for the 1000 years. And based on this public knowledge, traditional knowledge, India has opposed the US and the applicant, and based on the same, जिस बंदे ने फाइल किया था उसका पेटेंट रिवोक हुआ है, उसको पेटेंट नहीं मिला है.
Please take up the other question, sir. When we can get the complete certificate of patent once it is published?
Okay, so patent prosecution का टाइम साइकिल काफी लंबा है. देखिए आज की तारीख में देखो, if you goes by normal route, तो अगर आप आज फाइल करते हो, and as I said earlier, it has a first stage: application, publication, examination and grant. So फाइलिंग से ग्रांट तक पहुंचने के लिए आज की तारीख में नॉर्मल रूट, गवर्नमेंट हैज मेड लॉट्स चेंजेस इन द ऑफिस प्रोसीजर, और लॉ में भी काफी चेंज किया है. ऑफिस का वर्किंग भी काफी स्पीड हो गया है. आज की तारीख में मिनिमम 5 साल का टाइम लगता है. But for the government is understanding the importance of IPR, and government has made a special changes in the patent rules. So nowadays, if you are applying for a patent as a startup, if you are applying as a patent with one of the applicant as a woman candidate, you can select the expedited route for the patent prosecution. और expedited route में आपका पेटेंट आप आज फाइल करते हो तो ग्रांट होने तक का टाइम विद इन अ पीरियड ऑफ 1 ईयर आपका पेटेंट ग्रांट हो सकता है. Yes.
So we have a question from Pooja. If we innovate a process to make something with some other methods already available in the market for the same thing, but a process is not able to collect revenue, is it patentable?
If we innovate a process to make something and some other methods are already available in the market for the same thing, but our process is not able to collect revenue from market. Look, let me understand the question. What Pooja is asking. If we innovate a process to market something and some other methods are already available in the market for same thing, but our process is not able to collect revenue from the market, so is it patentable? No, sorry, it is not patentable. the day when you create, जैसे आप नया प्रोसेस बना रहे हो, जैसे कि मान लीजिए अभी तक से फॉर एग्जांपल ग्रोसरी आइटम अभी तक किराना की स्टोर में ही मिलते हैं. Say for example, if you are coming up with a new idea of grofers, online selling of the grocery item. But say for example, अगर आपका ये प्लेटफॉर्म आपने उसको सुटेबल टाइप ऑफ आईपी प्रोटेक्शन से बगैर पहले मार्केट में लॉन्च कर दिया, विदाउट आईपी प्रोटेक्शन आपने लॉन्च कर दिया, एंड देन यू गो टू द, और वो आपका मॉडल नहीं चला, और सेम मॉडल से कोई और बंदा एग्रेसिवली अच्छी टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ अच्छी टीम के साथ प्रोसिक्यूट करता है और वो पैसे बना रहा है. फर्स्ट आइडिया आपका है, आपको आपके मॉडल से आप पैसे नहीं बना रहे हो, लेकिन दूसरा बंदा है उसको थोड़ा मॉडिफाई या अच्छे से एग्जीक्यूट करके पैसे बना रहा है. सो यू कैन नॉट स्टॉप हिम, right? Because you have not secured any kind of IP protection. Neither you will get a patent protection on a later stage, neither you can stop him, right? Because it is in a public domain without any type of IP protection. Okay.
Parth, you have shared your screen. If you can please.
Sorry, I'm not able to understand from the notes.
Parth Patel, he has the screen sharing off. So can we take up this question? What is the website for patent application?
Yes, for India, the patent application के लिए website ipindia.nic.in.
So the next question is, which characteristic makes a
Sorry, which characteristics?
great innovator? Make a great innovator.
Which characteristic? Yeah, देखिए, innovator. Okay, if you are working on really, देखिए, the world is facing a great challenges. आप आज की तारीख में देखिए कि water conservation, the availability of pure water, the environment protection, the plastic recycling, food preservation or supply chain. These are the big problem of the world. If you are innovating somewhere on the major issues of the world, और आपका वो, if your technology is been acquired, और वो technology पर आप अच्छे से काम करते हो, if you are creating a great enterprises based on them, then yeah, you can be a great innovator.
How many number of participants are necessary for copyright, or only one can do?
There is no upper limit. One man can also apply, 100 men can also apply jointly.
Trademark is for logo including graphics and words, or the writing style?
Yeah, trademark is for logo, so a symbol of business. Say for example, how Apple looks like, right? Apple का logo कैसा है, Reliance का logo कैसा है, Tata का logo कैसा है. Say for example कि HUL, Hindustan Unilever, तो HUL is a larger company, right? Who is dealing, जिसके FMCG सेक्टर में बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स है. So HUL का लोगो एक ट्रेडमार्क है, सॉरी, और उसके जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स है, हर प्रोडक्ट का एक अलग लोगो हो सकता है. डव सोप हो गया, सनसिल्क शैम्पू हो गया, हेड एंड शोल्डर. से फॉर एग्जांपल इफ दे आर द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ HUL, तो एक कंपनी रिलायंस का एक लोगो होके, रिलायंस के जो सिस्टर कंपनीज है, रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री, ऑयल इंडस्ट्री का अलग लोगो है, रिलायंस रिटेल का अलग है, रिलायंस डिजिटल का अलग है, रिलायंस ट्रेंड्स का अलग लोगो है. सो लोगो इज अ सिंबल ऑफ symbol for the business.
So one last question that we have is, like we have a question as to how GTU can help them in patent filing. So if you could share your email ID or contact wherein they can get in touch with you.
Sorry, madam, I couldn't got.
So if you can share your contact ID, few people would like to get in touch with you, sir, regarding.
Oh yeah, sure. I would share my, I think my screen is okay. Yeah, here it is. My email ID and WhatsApp number or the mobile number. My email ID is ipr_project officer@gtu.edu.in and my mobile number is 9898 801467. Okay.
So we would like to thank Amit sir for this wonderful session, and I think the audience has several more questions to ask. So if you want to hear more from Amit sir regarding something specific, more on copyright or trademark, please let us know in the chat box.
Thank you
We
so much,
can
sir.
arrange with sir. And we have one more session with Amit sir on 20th on Monday, which is on how to be a data-driven innovator. So you can join that session for more information. And if you want to hear from Amit sir on some other topics, please let us know in the chat box. Thank you so much, Amit sir, for your time and for giving us